Beekeeping is a kind of essential activity because of the importance of bees for humankind, and it is also a good starting point for connecting people from different fields of work and experience. So cities are part of the nature, but they demand a bit different morphological forms. Collaboration with architects and designers came naturally because we are searching for different solutions to eternal problems of architecture, finding the harmony between safety, functionality and aesthetics.
The workshop was held at the Faculty of Architecture, University of Ljubljana, and was supported by the City of Ljubljana. Mentors and students dealt with the topic of urban beekeeping. We actually developed educational apiaries and stands for loading hives. The project represents an example of creative sector support for beekeeping and bee protection. It actually suggests a strong link between creative sector and sustainable development.
The Step Closer is an educational apiary designed to enable safe observation of bees. It consists of two parts separated by a glass partition. The first part provides space for hives and the beekeeper, and the second part is for observers. Step Closer blueprints are open source, so they are freely available to urban and rural beekeepers. This way we contribute to the rise of the general spatial culture.